Bearings. A bearing is used to support a moving member and confines its motion. Bearing FI, FS shaft, FT, bearing, bearing sliding contact, one surface slides over another surface, more friction. Rolling contact, point or line contact, less friction. Point contact, line contact. One stationary member supporting a moving member. Function to support with minimum friction. Sliding contact bearing SCB journal carries only radial loads, load perpendicular to axis. Pulley. Thruster collar supports axial load. Turbine parallel to axis or along. Radial F2, F3, F1, axial F4, F5. Crank pin, journal, piston pin, journal bearing, big end bearing, journal bearing, almost all IC engines. WN shaft lubricant bearing, foot job bearing, W collar bearing, vertical shafts turbine. Journal bearing lubricant, journal W oil hole stepped shaft. Journal bearing L. In a journal bearing, the journal portion of shaft supported by bearings rotates or oscillates inside a sleeve or bearing, and the resultant motion is sliding. D is equal to diameter of journal or shaft. Capital E is equal to diameter of bearing, and L is equal to length of journal. CD is equal to diametrical clearance is equal to capital A minus small d. C is equal to radial clearance is equal to capital R minus small r is equal to CD by 2. P is equal to bearing pressure. P is equal to load by projectile area is equal to W by LD. Methods of lubrication. Thick film lubrication. Two surfaces are completely separated by a film of oil. No metal to metal contact. IC engines, turbines, generators, etc. Less friction. Ideal lubrication. Journal bearing thick film. If there is some contact, journal bearing thin film. Thin film lubrication. Partial metal to metal contact boundary. More friction. Zero low speed lathe bed guideways, starting or stopping of IC engines. Solid lubrication, extreme temperatures, graphite, MOS to PT PTFE, MOS to molybdenum disulfide, elasto hydrodynamic lubrication. P is equal to W by A is equal to infinity at A tends to 0 at contact. P increases, mu increases, behaves like a solid. W follower cam. Thick film lubrication HDB HSP. Hydrodynamic bearing. Thick film required to separate the surface is created by action of journal. The pressure is generated by journal rotation. No pressure pump is required. Hydrostatic bearing HSP W bearing lubricant journal pressure required to maintain thick film is created by external pressure pump. Principle of hydrodynamic boundary working of inclined flat plate. Newton's law of viscosity. Tau is equal to mu du by dy. Tau is equal to shear stress. Du by dy is equal to shear rate. Mu is equal to dynamic viscosity. 1 poise is equal to 10 power minus 1 Pascal second. 1 centipoise is equal to 1 by 100 poise is equal to 10 power minus 3 Pascal second. Minus dou p by dou x is equal to 0. Stationary plate. U is equal to V. F moving plate. Conditions to create pressure in its own. Wedging action, maintaining converging and diverging portion, relative velocity, presence of suitable fluid, air liquids. Minus 2p by dou x less than 0, minus 2p by dou x is equal to 0, minus 2p by dou x greater than 0. Inclined flat plate. U is equal to V. A decreases, V increases. Bernoulli equation not applicable here. Concentric bearing bearing fluid flow bearing journal fluid flow. Hydrodynamic bearing working principle. Dynamic bearing working principle. Bearing W O W N O2 O1 Rest metal to metal contact. HO is equal to minimum oil film thickness. Thick film lubrication. Load is balanced by pressure force. Journal shifts to other side of bearing. Pressure uh, pressure running rest. This is starting. This is running. Rest metal to metal contact. During this thick here thin film here thick film. HO is equal to minimum oil film thickness. Starting thin film lubrication. Large frictional forces. Load is balanced by frictional force. For clockwise rotation, journal shifts towards left side. For counterclockwise rotation, journal shifts towards right side. Hydrodynamic bearing coefficient of friction. Torque required to rotate journal T is equal to shear force into radius is equal to shear stress into area into radius. Petrov's equation RCLW T is equal to tau into 2 pi RL into R. T is equal to mu V by Y is into 2 pi RL into R. C is equal to radial clearance is equal to capital R minus small r. V is equal to pi small d n by 60 is equal to pi d ns is equal to pi into 2r into ns. Ns is equal to speed in revolutions per second. Small r is equal to radius of journal. Capital R is equal to radius of bearing. Mu is equal to viscosity. P is equal to bearing pressure. T is equal to mu into 2 pi r ns by c into 2 pi rl into r. Frictional torque Tf is equal to torque frictional radius into r. Tf is equal to Fw into r. P is equal to W by 2 RL. Tf is equal to F into P into 2R into L into 2L into R. Tf is equal to T rotating with constant speed. Mu into 2 pi R ns by C into 2 pi R square. L is equal to 2F into 2R into L into R. Assumptions: journal rotates concentrically, bearing is lightly loaded, leakage losses neglected. F is equal to 2 pi square mu ns by P into R by C. Mu ns by P bearing characteristic number BCN based on RPS. C by R radial clearance ratio. Actual pressure distribution, it will be like this. Mck's equation, coefficient of friction F is equal to pi of mu n by P comma CD by D comma L by D. Mu n by P is equal to bearing characteristic number mu Newton second per meter square n RPM P Newton per meter square. CD by D diametrical clearance ratio, L by D length to diameter ratio, L by D greater than 1 long bearing, L by D equal to 1 square bearing, L by D less than 1 short bearing. F is equal to 0.326 mu n by P into small d by CD plus K. K is equal to leakage factor is equal to 0.002 for 0.75 less than or equal to L by D less than or equal to 2.8. Petrov C F is equal to 2 pi square mu ns by P into R by C is equal to 2 pi square by 16 to mu ns by P into 16 to 2r by 2c. F is equal to 2 pi square by 60 mu n by P into d small d by cd. F is equal to 0.328 mu n by P into small d by cd. Torque T is equal to Fwr is equal to W into Fr. Fr is equal to frictional radius. Power lost P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60 is equal to T omega. Omega is equal to angular velocity is equal to 2 pi n by 60. P is equal to Fw into R omega. P is equal to Fwv. Heat generated Hg is equal to power lost in bearing is equal to Fwv. Heat dissipated Hd is equal to Ca into Tb minus Ta. C is heat dissipation coefficient. A is projected area, Tb is equal to bearing temperature, Ta is equal to ambient air temperature. Artificial cooling ms dot m dot into s delta T is equal to Hg minus Hd. M dot mass flow rate of coolant, S specific heat of coolant, delta T outlet and inlet temperature difference. Inlet coolant in T1, coolant out T2 bearing. Bearing performance F BCN mu n by P thin it will decrease and then increase here bearing modulus F min thin film unstable lubrication, here thick film stable lubrication. Bearing modulus it is BCN corresponding to minimum coefficient of friction. Beta is equal to mu n by P at F minimum stable C2D Hg increases, T increases, mu decreases, mu n by P decreases, F decreases, Hg decreases, T decreases, mu n by P increases. 3 beta less than or equal to mu n by P operating less than or equal to 15 beta. Altitude epsilon is equal to E by C is equal to eccentricity by radial clearance is equal to C minus H naught by C. Epsilon is equal to 1 minus H naught by C. R is equal to E plus R plus H naught. C is equal to capital R minus small r is equal to E in E plus H naught. E is equal to C minus H naught. 0 less than or equal to epsilon less than or equal to 1. If H0, if H naught is equal to C, load small rotates concentrically thick film. H naught is equal to 0, thin film. Sommerfeld number S is equal to mu ns by P into R by C whole square. For stable bearing, S1 is equal to S2 mu 1 ns1 by P1 into R by C1 square is equal to mu 2 ns2 by P2 into R by C2 square. Rolling contact bearing, ball point contact, roller point contact. This is point, this is and the inner diameter of bearing is capital D, outer diameter of bearing B, width of bearing capital D, small d. Outer ring cage, inner ring race capital R greater than smaller 5 to 10%. Ball and races are made of high carbon, high chromium steels. D small d is equal to inner diameter of bearing, capital D is equal to outer diameter of bearing, B is equal to width of bearing. Separator or case is made of low cost material, aluminum cast steel. Load is carried by balls and races. Ball and roller bearing, anti-friction bearings. Type of ball bearings: outer ring, inner groove, deep groove ball bearing. FR, FA fan more than 3 by 4 is there in grooves. FA by FR less than 1. That means axial load is less than radial load. Radial load will be angular contact bearing, ball bearing, only one direction. FA, for example, drilling spindle, FA by FR greater than 1. Self-aligning ball bearing, example, angular misalignment to correct least friction, least coefficient of friction. FRE, FA. Alpha support angular misalignment up to up to 3 degrees. Thrust ball bearings, example, all vertical shafts carrying gears except spur gears. FR is equal to 0. Type of roller bearings: FA, FR, rolling machine, cylindrical rollers. Frustum of cone, taper roller bearing can carry more axial load. Barrel nowadays railway axle spherical roller bearing, alpha support angular misalignment. Heavy radial load, but FA is equal to 0. Needle roller bearing carries heavy radial loads. Bearing series B1, B2, B3, B1 less than B2 less than B3 less than B4, 100, 200, 300, 400 series. Light loads, medium loads, heavy loads. D1 less than, D2 less than, D3 less than, D4. Bearing designation SKF x 1 or 2 into 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to D inner diameter of bearing or diameter of shaft. First two bearing series. This is bearing series. Fourth is manufacturer's number. Yes. 6310 D into D is equal to 5300 series. 6 deep groove ball bearing mostly used. BS Bureau of Indian Standards ISO FAFBM. D B C a capital roller, capital B ball. C deep groove ball bearing width series, diameter X. This is diameter series. 6240 SKF D20 ball deep groove width series, diameter series. Static load carrying capacity CO, the static load required to produce permanent deformation in balls and racers at most critical stress, most heavily stressed point of contact equals to 0.001 d, where capital D is diameter of ball in mm. Brennerling failure, static load failure. Strebek's equation, static load carrying capacity CO is equal to KD square Z by 5 for ball bearing. K is equal to constant, D is equal to ball diameter, Z is equal to number of balls. For roller bearing, CO is equal to KD ZL by 5. K is equal to constant, D is equal to diameter of roller, L is equal to length of rollers, Z is equal to number of rollers. L number of revolutions completed before evidence of fatigue crack. L10 life or rated life, 10% of bearings are failed and 90% are good. L50 life or average life, 50% of bearings are failed and other 50% are in good. Surface fatigue failure, pitting, spalling, subsurface failure. L50 greater than L10, L50 is equal to 5 L10. Basic load rating, C. Motor Almin is equal to 10 power 6 revolution W revolution counter. The dynamic load required to produce a minimum rated life of 1 million revolution is called basic load rating. The load life relation L is equal to C by P whole power K. L is equal to rated life in million revolutions. C is equal to basic load rating. K is equal to 3 for ball bearing, 10 by 3 for roller bearing. P is equal to equivalent load is equal to XVFR plus YFA into CS. X is equal to radial load factor. V is equal to race rotation factor is equal to 1 for inner race is equal to 1.2 for outer race. FR is equal to radial load. Y is equal to axial load factor. FA is equal to axial load. CS service factor is equal to maximum load by mean load. Bearing subjected to cumulative fatigue. Let a bearing is subjected to a load P1 at speed N1 for a alpha per 1 percentage of life, P2 N2 for alpha 2 percentage of life, so on for till X. If bearing is subjected to only to load P1, then life is L1 is equal to C by P1 whole cube into 10 power 6 revolution. Life completed in one revolution is equal to 1 by L1 into P1 cube by C cube into 10 power 6. Life completed in N1 revolution, capital N1 is nothing but alpha 1 into N1 revolutions. Alpha 1 into N1 revolutions is equal to N1 by L1 is equal to N1 P1 cube by C cube into 10 power 6, N1 P1 cube by C cube into 10 power 6 plus N2 P2 cube by C cube into 10 power 6, so on NX Px cube by C cube into 10 power 6 is equal to NPE cube by C cube into 10 power 6. N is equal to N1 plus N2 plus so on Nx. P is equal to cube root of N1 P1 cube plus N2 P2 cube so on Nx Px cube by N1 plus N2 plus so on Nx. Comparison load carrying capacity, load, speed, hydrostat, HSB, hydrodynamic bearing, speed load, speed increases, RCB, rolling contact bearing, it will decrease, load will decrease as okay. Coefficient of friction, ball is 1. Ball is 3. This is 3. Roller bearing it will be above here, but here it will be here. Hydrodynamic bearing we already saw. At best at high speeds it is low. So cost hydrodynamic bearing low cost, roller contact bearing more cost, noise HDB quieter, no metal to metal contact, RCB more noise. Brakes design. A brake is used to control the speed of machine member by absorbing its energy and dissipates that energy to surroundings in the form of heat. Design is based on effort required, braking torque, thermal capacity, life. Energy types, kinetic energy of translation Ke1 is equal to half m v1 square minus v2 square. Kinetic energy of rotation half Ker is equal to half I omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. I is equal to mass moment of inertia is equal to mk square. K is equal to radius of gyration is equal to d by 2 for removed wheel is equal to d by 2 root 2 for disk wheel. Potential energy is P is equal to mgh motor mg brake drum hoisting drum hmg. Energy types, total energy is equal to KET plus KER plus V. Energy to be absorbed by brake. Work done by brake W is equal to T into theta. T is equal to braking torque. Theta is equal to angle of rotation of brake drum. Types, radial brakes, external, internal, axial brakes. Double shoe train wheel, brake drum, F band brake. Disc brake, it will be like this axial. Internally expanding shoe brake. Principle of shoe brake, brake drum, F. Friction materials, hard rubber, molded materials, metal powder plus resin plus friction modifier, graphite. Friction and torque, T is equal to friction force into radius is equal to mu F into R. F is applied, mu F is will be frictional force. Work done by brake is equal to work done into theta. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Theta is equal to omega 1 t plus half alpha t square. V is equal to u plus at. Omega 2 is equal to omega 1 plus alpha t. Work done is equal to t into theta is equal to mu f r into omega t is equal to mu f v into t. Heat generated is equal to mu f v into t. Heat generated per second is equal to mu f v. Wear rate is directly proportional to hg per second. Wear rate directly proportional to mu f v. Life inversely proportional to wear rate. Brake design. Shoe brake, short shoe, 2 theta less than or equal to 45 degrees. Uniform pressure, quotient of friction is equal to mu. Long shoe, 2 theta greater than 45 degrees. Non-uniform pressure, equivalent quotient of friction, mu prime is equal to 4 mu sin theta by 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Mu less than or equal to mu prime less than or equal to 4 by pi mu, 1.27 mu. X pivot hinge doesn't support movement. Brake drum. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. P into L minus Rn into X plus mu Rn into A is equal to 0. Applied moment, frictional moment, applied moment and frictional moment are in same direction, then this brake is self-energizing. P is equal to Rn into X minus mu A by L. If mu a less than x, p greater than 0, positive automobile brake. If mu a is equal to x, p is equal to 0. If mu a greater than x, p less than 0. These two cases are self-locking brake. Pn into L minus Rn into X minus mu Rn into A is equal to 0. If it is rotating like this, then friction will be like this, mu Rn and this will be like this. P is equal to Rn into X plus mu A by L. Non-self-energizing brake. Applied moment and frictional moment are in opposite direction. If A is equal to 0, both directions same effort. Other option, double shoe. Self-locking brake, lifts and cranes. Band brake, A theta greater than B theta, B greater than B theta greater than A theta, loosening steel band coated with friction material. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. PL applied moment minus T1A plus T2B is equal to 0. T1 tight side, T2 loose side, depending on which side it is rotating. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. TPL minus T2A plus T1A is equal to 0. One way to identify tight side, T1 TA is equal to TB plus mu n. Mu n will be in frictional direction. So in that one end of band is connected to pivot, simple band brake. One end of band is connected to lever, then differential band brake. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. P into L minus T1A is equal to 0. P is equal to T1A. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. PL minus T2A is equal to 0. P is equal to T2A by L. Non-self-energizing brake cannot be made as self-locking brake and hence you not use it as safety device. Wear rate directly proportional to mu FV. Wear rate per unit area directly proportional to mu PV. P brake pressure. Band brake sigma V is equal to 0. Dn is equal to T plus dt into sin d pi by 2 plus T sin d pi by 2. Dn is equal to T d pi by 2 plus T d pi by 2 is equal to T d pi. Pressure P is equal to dN by R d pi W is equal to T d pi by R d pi W. P pressure is equal to T by R omega. Pressure is equal to T by R omega. At pi is equal to 0 degrees, P max is equal to T1 by R omega. At pi is equal to theta, P min is equal to T2 by R omega. P max by P min is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to e power mu theta. Wear rate directly proportional to mu PV directly proportional to P. Clutch design. A clutch is used to connect or disconnect a source of power from remaining parts of power transmission at the will of an operator. Motor, fixed disc, friction disc, clutch, moving disc, splintered shaft, gearbox, machine, engine, gearbox, clutch, propellant shaft, hooks, joint, road wheel differential. Automobile power transmission. Torque T is equal to I alpha. I is equal to moment of inertia of parts to be connected. Alpha is equal to angular acceleration is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 by T. Clutch types. Friction clutches, high speed slip, conical, single, multi clutch, cylindrical, heavy vehicle, trucks, scooters, bikes, positive clutch, low speed less than 200 rpm, jaw clutch, spiral clutch. Single plate clutch. R1 is equal to outer radius of friction disk, R2 is equal to inner radius, mu is equal to coefficient of friction, friction torque delta W is equal to normal force on elemental ring is equal to pressure into area is equal to pressure into 2 pi r dr. Delta F is equal to frictional force on elemental ring is equal to mu into delta W. Friction torque delta T is equal to delta F into R is equal to mu delta W into R is equal to mu P 2 pi R dr into R. T delta T is equal to mu P 2 pi R square dr. Mu clutch or uniform pressure P is equal to constant. Delta T is equal to mu P 2 pi R square dr. T is equal to mu P 2 pi integral R2 to R1 R square dr is equal to mu P 2 pi into R cube by 3 R2 to R1 T is equal to 2 mu P 2 pi R1 cube minus R2 cube by 3. Delta W is equal to P into 2 pi R dr. Del W is equal to P into 2 pi into R square by 2 R2 to R1 R1 to R2 P is equal to pi P into R1 square minus R2 square. W is equal to pi P into R1 square minus R2 square. P is equal to W by pi into R1 square minus R2 square. T is equal to 2 mu W by 3 into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square. Used clutch or uniform wear rate directly proportional to mu PV, directly proportional to PV, directly proportional to PR as V is equal to R omega. V1 is equal to R1 omega, V2 is equal to R2 omega, V1 greater than V2. For uniform wear rate, PR is equal to constant is equal to C. Delta T is equal to mu P 2 pi R square dr. PR is equal to constant, P is equal to C by R. Delta T is equal to mu C by R into 2 pi R square dr is equal to mu C 2 pi R dr. T is equal to integral del T is equal to mu C 2 pi integral R1 to R to R dr is equal to T is equal to mu C 2 pi into R1 square minus R2 square by 2. Delta W is equal to P into 2 pi R dr is equal to C by R into 2 pi R dr into 2 pi C dr. W is equal to 2 pi C integral R1 to R2 dr. W is equal to 2 pi C into R2 minus R1. C is equal to W by 2 pi into R2 minus R1. T is equal to mu W into R1 plus R2 by 2. Uniform where TW is equal to mu W into R1 plus R2 by 2 into N number of effective side spaces. W is equal to 2 pi C into R1 minus R2. C is equal to P1 R1. C is equal to P2 R is equal to P2 R2. RFW is equal to R1 plus R2 by 2. RFP greater than RFW. You can compare by taking example. Initial where new clutch, it will be like this: P into R2, P into R1. Used clutch shape will already be changed. Here P min, here P max. Steel disc. Multiplied clutch T is equal to 2 by 3 mu W into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square into N. N is equal to N1 plus N2 minus 1. N1 number of plates on driver, N2 number of plates on follower. N is equal to number of effective surfaces. T is equal to mu W into R1 plus R2 by 2 into N. Conical clutch alpha sin alpha is equal to WA by WN. Wn is equal to WA by sin alpha. TP is equal to 2 by 3 mu Wn into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square is equal to 2 by 3 mu WA by sin alpha into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square. Spring force WA. Mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort is equal to Wn by WA is equal to 1 by sin alpha. Alpha less than 90 degrees, Wn greater than WA. Alpha decreases, sin alpha decreases, mechanical advantage increases. Generally 8 less than alpha less than 15 degrees. Alpha is equal to 12.5 degrees in industries. Wn is equal to 2 pi rmb. Rm is equal to r1 plus r2 by 2. Sin alpha is equal to r1 minus r2 by b. Engagement or connecting double omega 1 greater than omega 2. Slip sliding frictional surface frictional force. Running omega 1 in is equal to omega out. Slip is equal to 0. Disengagement or disconnecting omega in is equal to omega in greater than omega out. Slip WA is equal to WA plus mu WN cos alpha for engaging. Force required to disconnect the clutch WAD is equal to WA minus mu WN cos alpha. Because of this only conical clutch got outdated. WAD less than or equal to 0. Self-locking grabbing. To avoid grabbing, WA greater than mu WN cos alpha, WN sin alpha greater than mu WN cos alpha, mu less than tan alpha. Mu is equal to 0.2, alpha is equal to 11.31 degrees, industries 12.5 degrees. Centrifugal clutch M is equal to mass of each shoe, R is equal to radius of clutch drum, Rg is equal to radius of shoe at engage in speed, omega 1 is equal to engage in speed, omega 2 is equal to running speed, mu is equal to coefficient of friction. Clutch drum spider shoe shaft allows prime mover to start at no load condition. Used in mopeds, running washing machines, chainsaws, lawn mowers. Normal force N is equal to Fc2 minus S1 is equal to Fc2 minus Fc1. N is equal to mrg into omega 2 square minus omega 1 square. Frictional force Ft is equal to mu n is equal to mu n into n for n shoes. N is equal to number of shoes. Torque T is equal to Ft into R is equal to mu mrg into omega 2 square minus omega 1 square into n into R. Gear design: a gear is toothed wheel to transmit power. PC is equal to circular pitch is equal to pi d by t mm. D is equal to pitch circle diameter. T is equal to number of teeth. M is equal to module is equal to d by t mm. PD is equal to diametrical pitch is equal to t by d 1 by mm. D is equal to pitch circle diameter. T is equal to number of teeth. Width addendum pitch circle addendum face width top land face bottom land face flank, this is face, this is flank, and this is pitch circle addendum circle top land. PD is equal to diametrical pitch is equal to t by d 1 by mm. D is equal to pitch circle diameter. T is equal to number of tooth. Belt drive 3. General velocity ratio. Chain 5. Gears for 3. Helical 6 to 10. Bevel 1 to 3. Warm 60 to 100. Clearance dedendum minus addendum is equal to dedendum minus addendum. Radial distance between land of one gear to bottom land of meshing gear. Backlash is equal to width space minus tooth thickness. Interference: tip of one gear touches bottom of meshing gear, meshing of non-conjugate profiles. Law of gearing: the common normal at the point of contact must pass through a fixed point on the line of centers and divides the line of centers in the inverse ratio of angular velocities. O1, O2, this common tangent, common normal, velocity of point P, V is equal to O1P into omega 1 is equal to O2P into omega 2. Omega 2 by omega 1 is equal to O1P by O2P is equal to R1 by R2. Profiles satisfying law of gearing are called conjugate profile. Involute profile: the locus of a point on straight line which rolls without slipping on a circle is called involute. Involute: AC generator tangent to the circle perpendicular to the involute. Pressure angle: pi, common tangent to base circle, common normal. Pitch circles: RB1, R1 on the generator. It is angle between common normal and common tangent to pitch circles. It is angle between common tangent to base circles and common tangent to pitch circles. It is angle between line of action and common tangent to pitch circles. P directly proportional to NT. Power transmitted from pinion to gear. Force from pinion to gear always transmitted along line of action, common normal. Cos pi is equal to RB1 by R1. RB1 is equal to R1 cos pi. RB2 is equal to R2 cos pi. RB is equal to R cos pi. RB R1 RB1 R1. Tangential force Ft is equal to F cos phi. Torque Tg is equal to Ft into R1. Tp is equal to Ft into R2. Power is equal to 2 pi Nt by 60 is equal to T omega is equal to constant. Tg omega g is equal to Tp omega p. Omega is equal to angular velocity is equal to 2 pi N by 60. Velocity V is equal to R omega is equal to constant. R1 omega 1 is equal to R2 omega 2. Radial force Fr is equal to F sin pi. Separating force pi is equal to 14 and of degrees, outdated, obsolete. 20 degrees, 25 degrees. Power P is equal to Ft into V. To increase power, Ft increases, pi increases by cos pi decreasing. Interference due to lack of clearance, meshing of non-conjugate profiles. Pi is equal to 0 degrees, A, D, R, RB is equal to R. To reduce interference by reducing non-involute portion by decreasing RB and increasing pi. Force analysis: F12 is equal to force exerted on gear by gear 1 on 2. F21 is equal to force exerted by gear 2 on 1. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. T is equal to 60 p by 2 pi n is equal to T pinion. Load T load F Lewis equation or beam strength equation. Beam strength equation: F or W parabola, beam of uniform strength, involute, face width T H. Total load is carried by single tooth and is acting at its tip. Contact ratio is equal to 1. Load is uniformly distributed along face width. Each tooth is taken as a cantilever beam and is subjected to static load. Effect of dynamic load is neglected. Frictional forces are neglected. Effect of stress concentration is neglected. Bending stress sigma b is equal to m by I into y. M is equal to Ft into H. I is equal to 1 by 12 W T cube. Y is equal to T by 2. Sigma b is equal to Ft into H into T by 2 by 1 by 12 W T cube is equal to 6 Ft H by W T square. Sigma b is equal to 6 Ft H by W T square. Critical point roots. Uniaxial at roots F sigma b is equal to sigma 1, sigma b is equal to sigma 1. Rankine's sigma 1 is equal to SYT by Fs or SUT by Fs. Materials: cast iron, steels, plastic. Sigma 1 is equal to S. Allowable strength: sigma b is equal to S. 6 Ft H by WT square is equal to S. Ft is equal to SWT square by 6H into PC by PC is equal to SWT square by 6H into pi m by PC into pi m by PC. Ft is equal to SWM into pi t square by 6H PC. Ft is equal to SWMY. Y is equal to Lewis form factor. Y is equal to pi into 0.154 minus 0.912 by t for pi is equal to 20 degrees. Central distance C is equal to dp plus dg is equal to m into tp plus tg. dp dnp tp dg ng tg m is equal to dy t. V is equal to pi dp np by 60 is equal to pi dg nd ng by 60. Np by ng is equal to dg by dp is equal to mtg by mtp is equal to tg by tp. Lewis equation, static load carrying capacity FTS is equal to SW_my. Dynamic load carrying capacity, Bath's method, velocity factor CV less than 1, CV is equal to 3 by 3 plus V for V less than 10 meter per second. FTD is equal to FTS into CV is equal to SW_my into CV. FTD less than or equal to FTS. To Becking's method, tooth errors, FTD is equal to FT plus FV, transmitted load, variable load, dynamic load, tooth action errors, misalignment of bearings, high velocity of gear. Where load carrying capacity. Gear and pinion are made of different materials. Design depends on strength factor. Strength factor is equal to S into Y. If SPYP greater than SGYG, then the design depends on gear and our gear is weak. If SPYP less than SGYG, pinion is weak. Wheel load carrying capacity of pinion FW is equal to KDP W into Q. K is equal to load stress factor is equal to SCW square into sin pi by 1.4 into 1 by EP plus 1 by EG. SCW is equal to surface endurance strength, E is equal to Young's modulus, dP is equal to PCD of pinion, W is equal to face width, Q is equal to ratio factor is equal to 2 TG by TG plus TP for external gears, it is equal to 2 TG by TG minus TP for internal gears. Shaft design. Shaft is a rotating machine element usually of circular cross section used to transmit power and support other power transmitting elements like gears, pulleys, etc. Materials ductile, mild steel and alloy steels. Strength per load, bending, torsion, combined bending and torsion, combined bending, torsion, axial propeller shafts. Rigidity, torsional rigidity is equal to T by theta. Bending moment M, yes, M by I is equal to sigma B by Y, M by pi by 4 D, 6 pi by 64 D cube is equal to sigma O by D by 2. Sigma B is equal to 32 M by D pi D cube. Sigma B is equal to 32 M by pi D cube into 1 minus K power 4 for halo. For halo, I is equal to pi by 64 D cube, Y is equal to D by 2. Torsion, tau is equal to 16t by pi d cube, tau is equal to 16t by pi d cube into 1 minus K power 4 for halo. K is equal to K small d by capital D, plane stress. Combined torque and bending, M torsion T, sigma B, tau, equivalent bending moment, Rankine's theory, mu is equal to half into M plus root of M square plus T square. Sigma B is equal to 32 ME by pi d cube and is equal to SYT by FS. Equivalent torque T is equal to root of M square plus T square. Tau max is equal to 16 TE by pi d cube is equal to SSY by FS. Combined torque bending axial loads M T F, F sigma is equal to F by pi by 4 d square is equal to 32 M by d cube. Tau is equal to 16 T by pi d cube. Torsion T, tau is equal to 16t by pi d cube, 6 is equal to, halo is equal to 16t by pi d cube into 1 minus K power 4. Sigma bending moment, sigma B is equal to 32 M by pi d cube, sigma B is equal to 32 M by pi d cube into 1 minus K power 4. Combined M and T is equal to root of M square plus T square is equal to root of KBM whole square plus KTT whole square. ME is equal to half into 1 kbm plus root of kbm whole square plus ktt whole square. Me is equal to half into m plus root of m square plus t square. Tau max is equal to 16 te by pi d cube. Tau sigma b max is equal to 32 me by pi d cube. Combine MT and F, sigma is equal to sigma B plus sigma A, tau max is equal to root of sigma by 2 whole square plus tau square, sigma 1 is equal to sigma by 2 plus root of sigma by 2 whole square minus tau square. KB is equal to combined shock and fatigue factor for bending. KT is equal to combined shock and fatigue factor for torsion. ASME suggested SSY parameter is equal to least of 0.5 SUT or 0.18 SUT. Flywheel design. A flywheel is used to store energy when excess energy is produced and releases the energy during peak load period. Types: disc wheel, remote wheel. D. Okay. T. Remove arms hub. T theta diagram. Tm is equal to mean torque, work done or energy stored. W is the work done is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 T d theta. Angle of rotation is equal to Tm into theta 2 minus theta 1. Tm is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 T d theta is equal to theta 1 to theta 2 d theta. Power P is equal to 2 pi n Tm by 60. Motor T in flywheel, T out press tool. Tm motor torque Tn and torque is equal to theta by T1 T2 E in E out. Energy stored by flywheel E in is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 Tm minus T1 into d theta plus integral theta to theta for Tm minus T1 into d theta. Energy released by flywheel E out is equal to integral theta 2 to theta 3 T2 minus Tm. Angular velocity theta. Flywheel stores energy by increasing its speed, and flywheel releases energy by decreasing its speed. Maximum Ke is equal to Emax is equal to half I omega max square. Emin is equal to half I omega min square. Fluctuation of energy delta E is equal to Emax minus Emin. Delta E is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square. Coefficient of fluctuation of error C is equal to fluctuation of energy by work done per cycle or a mean kinetic energy supplied. Mean kinetic energy is E is equal to half I omega square. Omega is equal to omega max plus omega min by 2 mean angular velocity. C is equal to delta A by A. C is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square by half I omega square. C is equal to omega max square minus omega min square by, omega max by omega min plus omega min by 2 whole square. C is equal to 2 into omega max minus omega min by omega max plus omega min by 2. Cs is equal to coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Cs is equal to omega max minus omega min by omega. C is equal to 2 Cs. Delta E is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square is equal to half I omega max plus omega min by 2 into omega max minus omega min into omega by omega. Delta E is equal to I omega square into Cs. Stresses in flywheel rim: stress due to centrifugal force, material cast iron, shrinkage stress. Dm is equal to rho bt into rd theta. Dfc is equal to p into bt into rd theta into r omega square. Vertical components is equal to dfc sin theta. V is equal to integral 0 to pi rho bt r square omega square sin theta d theta is equal to rho bt r square omega square minus cos theta 0 to pi. V is equal to rho 2 rho bt r square omega square is equal to 2p. P is equal to rho bt r square omega square. F tensile stress: sigma t is equal to p by bt is equal to rho r square omega square. Sigma t is equal to rho v square. V is equal to r omega is equal to pi d n by 60. Riveted joints used for aircraft structures, bridges, automobile industries, electronic industry, etc. Rivet, tail, shank, head, force, die, upsetting, fixture. Method of riveting: D is equal to size of rivet, D1 is equal to diameter of rivet. Unwin's formula: D is equal to 6 root T, T greater than or equal to 8 mm. Single riveted lap joint, T M is equal to 1.5 to 2D. TD to make it leak proof, caulking. Thickness of plate is more. Fullering thin plate.